Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers. I welcome you all in my channel 5 Minutes Information. This is episode number 131, and in this episode I will talk about the correlation. Viewer guidance, you can get the notes of this video lecture mentioned on the link of this video description. In this video clip I will talk about the 4 important points. Number 1, what is correlation? Number 2, what are the types of correlation? Number 3, what is the value of correlation? And number 4, what are the 4 types of measurement of correlation? Come to the point number 1. What is correlation? Correlation indicates the relationship between the two variables. It shows the association of the variables. However, in terms of statistics, correlation is a statistical measure that expresses the extent to which two variables are linearly related, meaning they change together at a constant rate. It is a common tool for describing the sample relationship without making a statement about cause and effect relationship. Point number 2, how many types of correlation? There are 3 main types of correlation. Number 1, positive correlation. Number 2, negative correlation. Number 3, zero correlation or no correlation. Point number 1, positive correlation. When the values of two variables move in the same direction so that an increase or decrease in the value of one variable is followed by an increase and decrease in the value of other variables is called the positive correlation. Like increase in a salary, improve the standard of living. Point number 2, negative correlation. When the values of two variables move opposite direction so that an increase or decrease in the value of one variable is followed by the decrease or increase in the other variables is called negative correlation. Like improve in salary, reduce the poverty. Point number 3, zero correlation or no correlation. When there is no linear dependence or no relationship between the two variables is called the zero correlation or no correlation. Like increase in your salary, it does not improve your mental intelligence. Point number 3, what is a correlation range value? The correlation coefficient is usually represented by using symbol of a small r, and its range between the -1 to +1. Positive correlation values. The value is greater than plus 0.70 is a strong positive correlation. Positive correlation value is greater than plus 0.70 is a strong positive correlation. Positive correlation is a value greater than plus 0.70 is a strong positive correlation. Value is less than plus 0.70 but greater than plus 0.50 is called the positive normal or moderate correlation value. Value is less than 0.50 but greater than 0.30 is a positive but weak correlation value. Similarly, the negative correlation value is greater than minus 0.70 is a strong negative correlation. Value is less than plus 0.70 but greater than plus 0.50 is a normal correlation value. Now come to the point number 4. What are the 4 types of measurement of correlation? Number 1, Pearson correlation coefficient. Number 2, linear correlation coefficient. Number 3, sample correlation coefficient. And number 4, population correlation coefficient. In any other episode, I will explain each types of correlation in detail along with the formulas and application. Here I conclude the episode number 131. In this episode, I discussed the 4 points. Number 1, what is correlation? Number 2, how many types of correlation? Number 3, what is the values of correlation? And number 4, what are the important measurement of correlation? Here I conclude the episode number 131. Thanks for watching. Stay connected and don't forget like and subscribe my channel 5 Minutes Information. Thanks for watching till the end.